Let's talk about Zee Entertainment then, because as you were rightly mentioning, that 15% lower circuit is what we are seeing on Zee Entertainment. And not just that, after the call off of the deal, a lot of brokerages have downgraded the stock post the merger setback. So what's the way forward for Zee Entertainment, and what the investor should do at this point in time? That remains the key question. So let's get in more details on this. Firstly, what's the way forward for Zee Entertainment? And for that, Somit is joining us. So Somit, what's the analysis saying that what could be the next step for Zee?
Well, after a lot of speculation, finally the announcement is out and this merger won't be going through. That's what Sony has said. Now, firstly, let's try and understand what could be the potential reasons why this merger would not be going through. Firstly, if you see, the industry dynamics has changed a lot since the time the merger was announced until now. In fact, because of the change in industry dynamics, the profitability of Zee Entertainment has also come down sharply. Now, since the announcement of merger, if you see, Zee's EBITDA and PAT has declined by around 38% and 48%, that is over FY21 to FY23. Apart from that, a few of the subsidiaries that Sony had specifically asked Zee Entertainment to shut down and to stop dealing with them, that had not gone through. Now, if you see, even after Sony's request, Zee did not close or divest these subsidiaries. Now, Zee's investment in Margo investment was still appearing in the books, and as part of the merger agreement, Sony wanted Zee's Margo investment to be disposed of and not included in the merged entity, but as of date, the matter was still not closed. Apart from that, there was this issues with the appointment of Mr. Puneet Goenka. Now, as per the earlier agreement, he was supposed to be the MD and CEO of the merged entity, but because of the SEBI's ongoing investigation, Sony had clearly mentioned that Mr. Goenka could not be a part of the merged entity. Now, there were a few news reports that he denied from resigning from the board, but interestingly, Zee yesterday said that Puneet Goenka had agreed to step down as the MD and CEO of the merged entity. So we still do not know what is the clarity on that part, but these are the potential reasons why the merger might not have gone through. Now, as a stock, if you see, Zee Entertainment has more or less become a trading stock than an investment stock. After the termination of this merger, nearly 10 brokerages have downgraded their rating to either neutral or sell on Zee Entertainment from a buy rating earlier. The consensus target price of the analyst had come down, or had come very near to the current market price. It's now around 15% only higher compared to what it was there earlier. But this 15% higher is also because of the today's downfall that we are seeing in the Zee Entertainment prices. Earlier, if you see, the consensus target price was nearly 40% higher compared to the current market price. Now, the key question here pertinent for Zee Entertainment is what's the way forward. Now, what we spoke to experts, we scanned through a lot of brokerages, and what we understand is the first thing is that legal proceedings will continue to hamper the stock prices of Zee Entertainment. Now, there's this battle with Sony over the non-compete fee. Then there is ongoing legal proceedings by various creditors on the Essel group. And earlier, Zee had also signed an agreement or contract with Disney for sub-franchisee of sports right now. Analysts and experts believe that Zee might not be able to fulfill this commitment, given that when this agreement was signed with Disney, there was a potential merger happening with Sony. And now, given the fact that that merger is not happening, this commitment might not also be fulfilled by Zee Entertainment. Apart from that, what brokerages and experts are expecting is that there could be a potential M&A going forward. A white knight might come forward for Zee Entertainment and might look to acquire Zee Entertainment. There could be a potential hostile takeover also for Zee Entertainment, given the sharp fall that we are seeing in the share prices. And the leading candidates who could be up for this takeover or could be a white knight for Zee Entertainment are the Ambani Group and the Adani Group. Apart from that, what brokerages and street is expecting is that there would be a definite overhaul when it comes to the board and management of Zee Entertainment. Now, this is because the promoter holding is as low as just 4%, and only 51% of the shareholder vote is required to remove a director or to change the board of the company. And what street is expecting is that there could be a likelihood of a quick action from the non-promoters going forward. So keep an eye out for Zee Entertainment. A lot of action is still expected in the stock going forward.
Absolutely. A lot of action already taken place as well in the stock. Thank you so much, Somit, for actually rightly articulating what exactly happened, what may have led to the deal falling through, also what brokers are saying, and what may be the step forward coming in for Zee. Thank you so much, Somit, for that analysis.